कि meek in heart will inherit earth। जरा महाराष्ट्रियन लोगों में नम्रता चीज थोड़ी कुछ कम है। कम से कम पता नहीं कि उनकी भाषा इतनी सुंदर होते हुए भी जरा बोलते वक्त उनके यहाँ गाली गलौज तो है नहीं, तो बगैर गाली गलौज के वो भाषा में ही कुछ न कुछ सुनाते। एक कैरेक्टर ये पूर्वी नव्हतं, पहले नहीं था, आजकल है ये। और ये लेकर के ऐसे बैठ गए हैं कि हर जगह लड़ने को तैयार, हर जगह सब करेंगे, हर जगह ये करेंगे वो करेंगे, कुछ समझ में नहीं आता। एक लड़ाका स्वभाव हो गया है। इस लड़ाके स्वभाव को मनुष्य को है थोड़ा सा देखना चाहिए कि हम सहयोग में आए, इसकी माला हमने पहन ली, अब छोड़ो इसे। पर इसमें नहीं पड़ने वाले। उनसे अगर कहा जाए कि आप वारकरी हो जाओ, तो उसमें तंबाकू खा के बदन पे वो टाट पहन करके रास्ते से भूखे मरते हुए महीना भर जाएंगे हजार। पर अगर कहा जाए कि आप सहयोगी हो गए, उसका रूप धारण करो, तो उसमें बड़ी मुश्किल। सबसे बड़ी चीज है सहज धर्म में, सबसे बड़ी चीज आपसी नितांत प्रेम, नितांत। अभी देखो, एक मुसलमान लड़का अल्जीरिया से अपने माँ बाप से कहने लगा कि तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो भाई? मक्का। मक्का तो आजकल बैठा हुआ है लंदन में, वहीं जाओ। तो उनको लेकर के पहुंच गए। तो जब वो मुझे मिले, उसका कहने लगे सच्ची बात है, मक्के में तो मिलता नहीं है, यहाँ मिल गया। अब कहने लगे कि सिर्फ ख्याल से कि हम लंदन गए थे, एकदम हमारे मन में आनंद की उर्मियां आने लगे। इसी तरह से किसी भी सहयोगी के विचार से ही आनंद आना चाहिए। वो ऐसा सहयोगी मराठीत आहे आपल्या, मी अनेकदा हे उदाहरण सांगितलं, परत सांगते की नामदेवानी एकदा गोरा कुंभाराला भेटायचं ठरवलं आणि जाऊन उभे राहिले। गोरा कुंभार आपली माती तुडवत होते। उभे राहिल्यावर एकदम ठाकले तिथे। आता हिंदीत ठाकलेला ट्रान्सलेशन आहे, पण ठाकले आणि काय म्हणाले की निर्गुणाच्या भेटी आलो सगुणाशी, ही ओळख आहे सहयोगाची। I'll tell you in English, I have told you many times about Namadeva and Gora Kumbhar, how Gora Kumbhar, when he saw Namadeva saw Gora Kumbhar was kneading the clay for his pottery. He just went and stood before him, stunned. And what he says, that I have come to see here the formless, that's the vibration. But the formless is in a form. This is the appreciation one should have, one Sahajogi should have for another. Every Sahajogi is a gem. Even the thought of a gem should bring joy to you. In every life, every style, in every areas, every dimensions, one should have this kind of a feeling. Muslims, Hindus, Christians, we do not accept. For us, we are all Sahajogis, and we have faith in all the religion. Not samabhava. We have faith in everything. As well as we worship Rama, we worship Muhammad Sahib. Same way, no less. As we worship Brahmadeva, or as we worship Vishnu Dattatreya, we worship Zoroaster. There's no difference at all. Same way. There's a big difference in having just the same what you call the same respect. It's not that. But we worship the same way. So there's no question of differentiating each other. Nor on country-wise, nothing. And whatever defects we have, we see to it that this has come from our country. Which I see many Sahajogis tell me, this is typical English, this is typically French, this is typically Italian. They themselves tell me. But main thing one has to understand is this, that in Sahaja Yoga we have lost all these boundaries. Nothing is there. We have reached that state where we are all one. And the idea of any Sahajogi whatsoever, any individual Sahajogi or a group of Sahajogis, should fill you up with joy, and a kind of a wave of joy which is continuously coming. Because they are in the form of joy, peace. If this appreciation is reached, then only one can say that you are Sahajogis. And that is one of the tests I've seen. You love me very much, I know all of you. But unless and until you love each other, how am I going to be happy? So today, especially this Mahalakshmi principle, when it is awakened within you, then you get out of a Lakshmi principle which makes you little selfish, maybe self-centered, and you get into a new dimension of searching the higher value system, something beyond, without any limitations. And that Mahalakshmi principle is really nothing in essence, if you see, is nothing but you are seeking the universal love. In the essence it is that. We don't love people because they belong to some country, because they look like this, that this is this, nothing. We love them only because they are our part and parcel. We are one with them. So those who are today worshipping Mahalakshmi should feel how many worshippers of Mahalakshmi are there. And they are all our own. It's such a great feeling. Otherwise, in Maharashtra especially, I must say, was horrible. One Sahajogi goes to preach in another district. The district leader starts fighting. Just like this sound. Who are you to come here? I am the leader. Instead of respecting him and making him a welcome guest, asking him, what can you help? There's a big fight. Well, it's really surprising. How can it happen? When Namadeva went to Punjab, Guru Nanak Sahib respected him. Not only that, but he told him that you write now in Punjabi language also. I've seen such a big book written by Namadeva. Can you imagine? He included all the great saints of Maharashtra in his Grantha Sahib. Because he knew that these are realized souls, they are higher souls, but the Sikhs are only reading it, nothing goes into their heads. What can you do? So at that time, if the saints could love each other, could express themselves in such a manner, why not we, the Sahajogis from all over the world? So I would say now, let us see, it's a very nice program of Ras we'll be having, where all the Indian and foreign Sahajogis are going to be together and are going to dance together. All such things are there. So don't sit in groups, but mix up with others, know them. And this is what we are going to know, each and every Sahajogi of the whole world. It's very important for me that you should love each other. It will really soothe me the most. It will give me the greatest joy, the greatest achievement and the fulfillment of my life. If somebody is really definitely wrong, you just write to me and I will know, because immediately I'll know from vibrations. Nobody can befool me, that's one thing for sure. Some people say that somebody's told this to mother, and nothing can be told to mother. You don't know, I'm too cunning for all this. Nobody can tell me anything. I know each and every, I play around a little bit, but I know each and every person. I give them a chance to hang themselves for a time being. But never believe that anybody can befool me and tell anything. I listen to everyone. And you can try that. If you love another Sahajogi, this loving process itself is so joyful. When you first saw me this time on the stage, you felt that way. Because this process of loving is the greatest joy-giving thing. So be happy, be joyous. If some people are missing the plane, well and good, you will live with other Sahajogis here. After all, you are somewhere in the world. You are not lost. Even if you are in the sea, you are there. On the plane, you are there. What does it matter? Why is it so important that this plane must be reserved and you must worry about this plane, I must get out at this time? There's no need. Wherever you are with Sahajogis, so why worry? You are, that's the point. Like many people ask me, whether you travel so much, how is it you don't get tired? Because I never think I'm traveling. I just think I am, that's all. Whether in the plane or here or there, I'm just there. I have to tell me I'm traveling. Then again I forget. So you are, whether you are here or in England or anywhere, you are here. Or you are there. So why to worry, especially with the plane? I think there's something wrong with the Western genetics. The plane enters into their Kundalini, I think, and they go so bizarre with the aeroplanes. Something I've never been able to understand. I've given them so many lessons to show that don't do all this nonsense, but still they go on doing this. But if I tell them, they feel guilty, but again they do it. Next time, if your plane is 8 o'clock, go at 9 o'clock. The plane will wait for you till 10 o'clock. Take it from. It has happened. So many can tell this. So many experiences are there. I mean, we haven't written them down, but people know how planes have been delayed for us. I've never missed a plane all my life. And when I missed it, it was with a purpose. Big things happened. So it is important, it's a drama. The worry should be one, why can't I love everyone as I love myself? I tell you only this, universal love will give you that confidence and that higher status. Why these saints suffer for you? Why did Christ suffer for you? Why Muhammad Sahib suffered for you? Why anybody talked to you about dharma? Why Ganeshwara wrote Ganeshwari? Why? What did they get? Dissatisfaction of their expression of universal love. All the great poets, William Blake or anyone, whatever they have done, it's just because they have this universal love and they want to express it. Why not you do it? So if you want your Mahalakshmi principle to be all the time burning, then please see that you love each and every Sahajogi. That's the message today. I hope you'll understand that. May God bless you.